Welcome to our tutorial on essential sorting techniques in C. In this video, we'll cover some of the most common sorting algorithms, including bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, and quick sort. We'll provide step-by-step explanations and code snippets to make everything easy to understand. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to implement these algorithms in your C programs. So, what exactly is sorting in programming? Sorting is the process of arranging data in a specific order, usually in ascending or descending order. Sorting algorithms are important in computer science because they optimize the efficiency of other algorithms that require sorted data, and they help in organizing data for better readability and accessibility. Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly stepping through the list to be sorted, comparing each pair of adjacent items and swapping them if they are in the wrong order. This process is repeated until the list is sorted. Selection sort works by dividing the list into a sorted and an unsorted region. It repeatedly selects the smallest or largest, depending on the order element, from the unsorted region and moves it to the end of the sorted region. This process continues until the entire list is sorted. Insertion sort. This algorithm builds the sorted array one item at a time. It does this by comparing the new element to the already sorted part of the list and inserting it into its correct position. It's like sorting a hand of playing cards, one card at a time. Quick sort. This algorithm uses a divide and conquer strategy. It works by selecting a pivot element and partitioning the array around that pivot. The elements less than the pivot go to one side and those greater go to the other. This process is repeated recursively, making it very efficient. Sorting algorithm comparison. Let's discuss the time complexity of each algorithm. Bubble sort has a time complexity of O of n squared. Selection sort also has a time complexity of O of n squared. Insertion sort similarly has a time complexity of O of n squared. Quick sort, however, is much faster on average, with a time complexity of O of n log n. To wrap things up, we've covered bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, and quick sort. I encourage you to try implementing these sorting algorithms in C yourself. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we'll dive into more advanced topics in C programming. Thanks for watching.